Hey, bro, what workout we hitting today, bud?
Self-driven.
Hey, it's a self-driven king. He really your boss, never taking nothing loss. This is self-driven king. Hey, it's a self-driven king.
So the push-up is gonna be the same method. You know you can only do a certain amount. That last rep, hold it. Watch what I tell you. Or what you could do is that last rep, do a 30-second push-up. What I mean by that, check this out. Count. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. So you can either do a 30-second push-up, or you can count lower, because if you want to hold between every push-up, that's how you get money too. But you hold between every push-up, you're not gonna do 30 seconds. I say count 5 up, 5 down, or 5 down, 5 up. So this is what I do. I use this method too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, that's how you get your money. Hope y'all enjoyed that.